Urbanization, or the population shift from rural to urban areas, poses great risk when unplanned. The risks include slum growth, sanitation problems, and inadequate infrastructures, all of which can have irreversible effects. Although a pressing matter, data on urbanization are limited and are usually in the form of census, which are only available every 5 years due to its manpower heavy and expensive nature. Limited urbanization data hampers efforts to address its challenges, especially as the deadline for achieving the Sustainable Development Goals looms. This necessitates the development of alternative data solutions to bridge this gap. Remote sensing offers a solution by providing access to previously hard to obtain data on human activity. Nighttime light images, with their stark contrast between dark and bright pixels, are a popular choice. Unlike census data, NTL data are regularly updated, ready to use, freely available, and accessible. Hi, I am Jonabel Eleanor Balres from the Vision Image Processing Group of the Instrumentation Physics Laboratory, and in this thesis, I aim to take advantage of nighttime lights as an alternative for tracking urbanization dynamics in the Philippines. In particular, I investigated the correlation between NTL and urbanization metrics at the provincial level for 2015 and 2020. Results show that NTL data effectively supplement the available measures, paving the way for tracking urban dynamics using NTL's fine temporal resolution. Results further suggest a nonlinear relationship between the two. I also examined the nighttime light changes of 5 provinces using long short-term memory autoencoder anomaly detection approach to detect urban change. A significant dip during the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic and a continuous rise in intensity post-2022 indicating positive urban change were seen. If you're interested in learning more, join me as I defend my thesis. See you!